rule of four Khulafaye Rashidin. After the death of Hazrat Nabi, Paygambar or Hazrat Muhammad, the post of Khalifa was as follows. Hazrat Abu Bakr, tenure 632 to 634 AD. Hazrat Omar Farooq, 633 to 644 AD. Hazrat Osman Ghani, 644 to 656 AD. And Hazrat Ali, 656 to 661 AD. The rule of Hazrat Abu Bakr, Umar, Ghani and Hazrat Ali. This is known as the rule of the four Khalifas after Prophet Muhammad, and they are known as the Khulafaye Rashidin. That is the rule of the famous four Khalifa. Thank you.